Well, leave it to Robert Godin to re-engineer the whole classical guitar bridge and tie block system. For anyone who follows my channel, you know that I am a big fan of Robert Godin. I think that he's an underestimated innovator that will be recognized many years after we're all gone. Okay. Pretty hard to argue the efficiency and benefits of the CNC machine in this instance. There's sort of a bullnose cut from here to here, and then a key cut all the way across for each string, so that the string comes up from the tie block and does not deflect off the bridge at all, goes right to the tip of the saddle unobstructed. You'll see when I tie these new strings on. The fact that the bridge tapers to a wider width where the string pull is, that makes a lot of sense. This lightens up the bridge by reducing the size of those wings, and it increases the footprint directly underneath the string pull. So it's engineering and design combined. Bravo, Robert. No need to file on this one, just a quick brush with some 400, and then we'll switch right up to 600. Just clean that up with some steel wool.